Hi everyone, good afternoon. So this is Jonya Finado. Once again, I'm here in Mesa Verde Residences studio unit for rent, daily rentals and short term. Guys, it's amazing guys. Tanan kay look at the view. Tada! Facing Makahalar Bay and facing sa amenities, okay? So this is a studio unit for only 2,225 per day, negotiable to 1,800. Depende guys sa inyo ha, pila ka days kay mohatag mig discount no, kung taas-taas nga adlaw we give discount good. So this one is 2,200 per day or 2,500, depende siya depende siya sa kaganang available time o depende po siya sa days. So the more pila ka days ang inyong i-avail, more discount mahatag na mo sa inyo ha. So, studio unit with balcony with amazing view. Tadang!